Hi! Hi guys! I'm here tonight with my friend Julien and the infamous Raid Joker to present you quickly a turn of the game Guardians Chronicles. So, first, please forgive our French accent. And then also please keep in mind that here we have only as if minis. This is only a sample and not the final material you will get with the game. So as you can see here, the play is already set. So you can see the base of Professor Scaroff with the different kind of tiles. So you can find the objective tiles, like the one with missiles, and also the trap tiles, like this one and this one. You can see different kind of minions. This would be the robots, and this would be the KINOICHI sisters. You also have the heroes here, here, and there. So they are scattered in the base. And the horrible Professor Scaroff in his secret tile. So tonight we are going to use HeroClix minis as proxy, waiting for the actual minis to be produced and sent to us. First, players will decide which will begin the turn and allocate it by using tokens which will not be revealed to Professor Scaroff. During this time, Professor Scaroff will also decide which minions he will activate and in which order. So, I'm gonna play Supernova, and I of course will play first. Our friend Julien will play Golden Boy as the second hero. And pay attention because you will be the third hero to play as Sergeant Freedom. Now it's time for the heroes to choose the actions they will have to accomplish to defeat Professor Scaroff. So now here we can see that our two heroes have to get rid of these minions, while Sergeant Freedom has to stop the missiles from destroying New York. To be able to do this, we'll have to choose our three actions and we can play cards from our hands. Each turn, you can play up to 2 cards for each hero. So one will be used as a secret technique. We will boost the characteristics this way. The other one can be put at the left of the character card and be used once by turn as a special action. So Supernova has chosen these 2 cards. Now it's Golden Boy's turn. So he wants to smash everyone. And now it's up to you, Sergeant Freedom. So play your 2 first cards. So now the action begins. I'm gonna reveal which hero will start. So this will be Supernova. Now, Professor Scaroff will reveal which minion will be the first to play. So this will be one of the KINOICHI sisters. My goal here will be to destroy this minion, starting with her. So, come on, I show you how to do. I have 3 actions to be able to get rid of her. So, my first action will be to play this power headshot, which can be played only once by turn. So this one will provide me a bonus of 1 wound to the KINOICHI sister. So this is a distance shot, so I can hit my target without being in the same area. I have a line of sight. So now I can throw my 4 dice equal to my attack characteristic and add 2 special dice because of my secret technique. The goal here is to make a result equal or superior to the defense characteristic of the target. So let's roll. Here, my result is 5. Damn it, that's not enough. I should have one more. So, my action is lost, and I have 2 more to be able to hit her. So, I will have to go close to her, because my distance attack is gone. So, my second action will be to come close in the same area and be able to throw the dice again. So this will be my third action. And it's only 4. So that's really a pity. I need some help.
Super, j'adore.
Again, one more time. Go ahead.
Okay, so this will be my third and last action. And that's a success. So the KINOICHI sister takes 1 wound. But that was my last action, so now Professor Skarov has a chance to retaliate. So the KINOICHI sister will act, and Professor Skarov has the opportunity to play up to 1 card to help her. So here you see this card, Red Alert, provides the KINOICHI sister a bonus of 3 special dice.
First hit. Yaha!
Okay, if I compare the result to my defense characteristic, I can see that I'm way below, so his strength is too much for me. And I take 1 hit.
Second hit. Yeah!
Ah! Come on!
Fatal strike. Yeehaw!
Ah! This third wound is 2 more for my character, because as you can see here, I can only take up to 3. So I will have to receive a wound card.
Take 1.
This wound card, I will have to keep in my hand. I have to play this card as soon as I can. So now it's time for the second hero and the second minion to play. So as we've played this game yesterday, I can tell you that the robot will get crushed and Golden Boy will go to the next room, while the robots will get played by Professor Skarov. So now it's up to you. Go back to your place. Now it's Sergeant Freedom's turn, and he has to stop the missiles. To do so, he has to hack this computer and success to a mental roll. So first, his first action will be to go to this red dot where he can hack the computer. He will have to throw a difficulty level of 5 dice and make equal or less than his mental capacity. So, go on, throw the dice. So it's too much, you have to try again. That's a failure. So, what do you say, Professor Skarov?
Now it's my turn. I will activate the objective tiles that will make the countdown goes to next to 0. Near to 0.
So the situation...
Sorry, I'm Russian.
You're Russian? Well, he's impersonating the character too much, I think. Okay, so that was one turn of Guardians Chronicles. I hope that it gives you more information about the game. And do not hesitate to ask further questions, and we will answer with pleasure.
Thank you, Nikolai.